Okay. The boys are over having dinner in Remington, and Race are so excited about the fireworks. So we decided to let them open up the box, and they're going to design a show for us tomorrow. And here they are.
He couldn't be bothered.
Bro, there's so many lightning flashes. What the flip? Monster Blast. This is new.
Oh, really?
Yeah, these are new small fireworks. I love them.
Clean the lens off.
Oh, these are kind of like.
Race, what you got going over there?
So we're kind of gonna go small. And what is this one? Purple rain.
Okay.
Then we're gonna do and then a rain shower, purple rain, more lightning flash, and more lightning flash. And then we're gonna have more lightning flashers. After that, oh, the super purple rains.
Oh, sweet.
And then, oh, these are the mini fountains right here. Mini fountains.
Oh, you get some mini fountains in there. Oh god, these things look really. I don't think. Oh, look at that! I like that one. The cuckoo's nest.
Oh yeah.
That's cool.
And then a.
There's the winner's circle. That's Donald Trump. Yeah. Electric zone, Donald Trump. I don't think we got any of the Joe Biden fireworks, which are the snakes, which are the suckiest firework ever.
Yeah.
Those are the Democratic fireworks. Safe and just lame.